Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video we will learn how OneNote works with Microsoft Teams. Let's explore how you can create a more organized, interactive and collaborative digital learning environment for students. OneNote can be added inside Microsoft Teams, so notes are available directly inside a team or channel. To do so, open Microsoft Teams. Sign into your school or work account. After signing in, choose a team, then open the channel where you want to add notes. At the top of the channel you may see a Notes tab. If it is available, open it and start using notes directly inside Teams. If the Notes tab is not available, OneNote can be added manually. To add it, click on the plus icon here, then choose Apps. Choose OneNote from the application list. If it didn't appear here, you can find it by clicking on the See All button. Now you must choose a name for this tab. I'll keep it as Notes and click Save button. The Notes tab is now added successfully. Let's start by opening the class notebook inside Microsoft Teams. Inside your class team, you will see several tabs at the left side. Click on Class Notebook. If no notebook exists yet, Teams will ask you to create one. Click on Set up a notebook, then choose Blank Notebook. On this screen, Teams shows the main spaces that will be created in the class notebook. The collaboration space is where teachers and students can work together. The content library is where teachers publish course materials, while students can only view the content. The teacher-only section is a private space that only teachers can see and edit. Each student also gets a private notebook, where they can add their own notes, assignments, and activities. Students can only see their own work and cannot view other students' notebooks, while the teacher can still review everyone's work. Once these areas are clear, click Next to continue. Next, Teams will ask you to organize the sections that will appear inside each student's private notebook. By default, you may see sections such as handouts, class notes, homework, and quizzes. These sections help students keep their work organized. At this stage, you can remove a section you do not need, rename an existing section, or add a new one. For this example, we will add a new section and name it Projects. When the sections are ready, click Create, and Teams will automatically generate the OneNote Class Notebook. Now let's explore the main areas of the class notebook and how they work. After the class notebook is created, a welcome page will appear. On the left side, click the navigation icon to show the main notebook areas. First, we have the collaboration space. This is a shared area where teachers and students can work together. It can be used for group activities, collaborative research, brainstorming, and class discussions. Next, we have the content library. This area is used by teachers to publish lesson notes, syllabi, calendars, learning resources, and other class materials. Students can view the content, but they cannot edit it. You will also see the teacher-only section. This is a private space for teachers. Students cannot see this section, so it can be used for planning, draft materials, answer keys, or private teacher notes. Finally, each student has a private notebook. Teachers can access all student notebooks, but students can only access their own notebook and cannot view other students' work. You can also click on the three dots here and choose Open in Browser. However, if you want to use the OneNote desktop app, click File, then choose Edit in Desktop app. This allows you to continue working on the notebook with the full OneNote application. Now let's create an activity page and distribute it to all students through the class notebook. First, we will go to the teacher-only section and create a new section called Assignments. This area is private, so students cannot see the page while the teacher is preparing it. Next, we will create a new page and name it Assignment 1. After that, we will add questions for students to answer. Once the page is ready, open the Class Notebook tab and select Distribute Page. A panel will appear on the right side. Choose the section where you want the page to be sent. For this example, we will choose Homework. Then click Distribute. The page will automatically appear inside every student notebook. This saves time and ensures consistency across all student workspaces. Now let's switch to a student account to see what the student receives. The student opens the class notebook, goes to their private notebook, then opens the homework section. Here, the distributed page appears automatically. The student can open the page, type the answer directly inside it, and complete the activity in their own notebook. Other students cannot see this work. Now let's go back to the teacher's account and review the students' responses. To review student submissions, open the Class Notebook tab and select Review Student Work. Then choose the section where the page was distributed. In this example, we will select Homework. After that, choose the page you want to review. Now, the teacher can move between student notebooks and check each student's response. We can read the answers, add written comments, insert stickers, record audio feedback, or use a stylus to write directly on the page. Now let's see how teachers can copy learning materials to another class notebook using the content library. Another useful feature in OneNote Class Notebook is the ability to copy materials from one class notebook to another. This is helpful when teachers want to reuse the same resources in another class or section. To do this, open the Class Notebook tab. Then click Copy to Content Library. A panel will appear on the right side. Select the section or page you want to copy. Then choose the destination notebook. In this example, we will choose Grade 7B Announcements as the destination. After selecting it, click Copy. Once the copy is complete, we will go to the Grade 7B class team in Microsoft Teams and open its class notebook. If we open the content library, we can see that the events section was copied successfully into the content library. This feature is especially useful for reusing lesson materials, sharing resources across different classes, and saving time instead of recreating the same content again. Remember, the content library is a space where teachers can publish materials for students. Students can view the content, but they cannot edit it. To summarize, OneNote Class Notebook is a powerful digital teaching tool that helps teachers organize classroom content, simplify assignment distribution, encourage collaboration, track student progress, and provide personalized feedback. When integrated with Microsoft Teams, it becomes a complete digital classroom environment suitable for both in-person and online learning. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.